Goodhart's law is a principle that explains how measurements can lose their value when they are turned into goals. It states that when a measure becomes a target, it stops being a good measure. This happens because people naturally try to optimize what they are measured on, even if it means missing the original purpose of the measurement. At first, metrics are created to help us understand reality. They act like indicators on a dashboard, showing how a system is performing. When used correctly, they help teams learn, improve, and make better decisions without pressure or fear. Problems begin when a metric is used to judge performance or give rewards and punishments. Once people know their success depends on a number, behavior changes. The focus shifts from doing good work to making the number look good. This leads to gaming the system. Instead of improving the underlying process, people find shortcuts, loopholes, or surface-level fixes. The metric improves on paper, but the real problem stays the same or even gets worse. A simple example is call centers measuring success by call length. If agents are rewarded for short calls, they may rush customers off the phone. The metric improves, but customer satisfaction drops, which, well, defeats the original goal. In software development, velocity is a common example of Goodhart's law. Velocity is meant to help teams understand how much work they can realistically complete. But, when velocity becomes a target, teams may inflate story points or split work unnaturally just to look productive. Quality metrics can also suffer from this problem. If teams are measured only on defect counts, they may avoid reporting bugs or delay testing. The numbers look good, but software quality quietly declines. Delivery speed metrics like cycle time can be distorted as well. If faster delivery is rewarded without context, teams may cut corners, skip documentation, or reduce collaboration. Speed improves, but long-term maintainability suffers. Goodhart's law is especially important in agile and safe environments because these frameworks rely heavily on metrics. Agile metrics are meant to guide conversations, not control behavior. When leaders use them as strict targets, trust and transparency disappear. The key lesson is that metrics should be treated as signals, not objectives. Looking at trends over time is more valuable than chasing a specific number. Using multiple metrics together also helps prevent narrow optimization. In the end, Goodhart's law reminds us to focus on outcomes, not just numbers. Metrics should support learning, improvement, and value delivery. When teams understand the purpose behind measurements, metrics remain helpful instead of harmful.